You'll find you have a 4-bone, which is half of an Australian lamb rack. It's been partially processed because of convenience and time and about not using bandsaws and saws. You will see the bones are partially Frenched in that the finger meat is cleaned out. We need to complete that Frenching. The chine bone is gone. This is a handsome product. These things cost 15 bucks each. So that little piece there is about 7.50, 8 bucks. So when you're prepping this, because we're serving it on the bone, we always need to French the bone. So if you cut around the bone on both sides, and then you want to scrape it until that bone is absolutely clean. You see, this is tedious work. It takes time. Very time consuming, very labor intensive. Imagine if you've got 1 million of these to do. So somebody developed a system where if you cut across the bone, so you've broken the sinew barrier on both sides, and then you attach a piece of twine to something stable, like your table leg, or here like my pillar. You're going to put that twine around the bone, so it's gone all the way around, and you need to have that tight or taut. You need to hold the rack of lamb firm, and then you want to pull it.
Oh.
You saw what happened. So now you've got a lovely clean bone. Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
So you can either use mine if you're working on this side, or you can make your own over where you are. Once you have done, you've Frenched, you've cleaned all the bones. We're going to use a 3-bone for roasting and a 1-bone for a rib chop. However, when we're doing for roasting, we would commonly score the fat. So just the fat alone, make 1 inch wide diagonals, and then the other way, so you've got nice diamonds. So when you roast that now, the fat will melt and break down and gives you a better flavour, better moisture. So once you've got it to that point, I want you to give me a 1-inch cutlet. So what you need to look at is the one that's going to give you the best cutlet from either end. So I'm looking at this one. So I'm going to cut straight down that knife, down that bone, because it looks like about 1 inch for me. Everybody can see 1 inch. You've seen it before, right? You know what 1 inch looks like, don't you? Every morning. One-track mind. Be careful. You're going to get me in trouble. Take your knife, go straight down, and if it doesn't go through the bone, remember the hitting from last week? So what I want to see from you is this and this. Okay? Go ahead. Have fun.